Hello all, welcome to Know Your Medicine, an initiative by Librate, your personalized health companion. In this video, we are going to discuss about Omnacortil tablet. We will be discussing elements like why it is used, to whom it is prescribed, its consumption, and various side effects. Before starting with the theory, let me tell you a brief about this tablet. Omnacortil tablet is a corticosteroid that helps to prevent the release of some substances in the body that lead to inflammation. The drug helps in the treatment of a number of conditions like skin problems, arthritis, breathing disorders, psoriasis, lupus, and allergic reactions. As the medication belongs to the glucocorticoid class of medication, it works by binding to the receptor and inhibiting the release of inflammatory substances, helping in the treatment of inflammation and allergic disorders. This medication is prescribed during psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, gouty arthritis, and nephrotic syndrome. Some side effects of this medication are aggression, dizziness, blurred vision, headache, weight gain, and increase in appetite. This tablet should be taken as per the instructions on the prescription. The drug is available in the form of oral suspension as well as tablets. In case of alteration in the dosage, consult a doctor. Warning: please do not take this medication without consulting your physician.